In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Spotify Wrapped to your Snapchat story. You can simply share Spotify Wrapped on Snapchat in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Spotify. On the home page, tap right here on Wrapped. Then select your Wrapped right here. Right tap onto your screen to get to your Spotify Wrapped page. Scroll down to choose any background color of your own choice. Then tap on this Share button. Select Snapchat. Your Wrapped will get added to Snapchat Story immediately. That's how easy it is to share my Spotify Wrapped on Snapchat Story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.